Alright guys, just real quick, I want to show you something about this NetBeans IDE. I'm going to go ahead and open up my File Explorer, so this little folder right here. You can actually open up any folder, and just click on Documents here. Now, it depends. If you left the defaults alone, you're going to click, and you should go to NetBeans Projects. This is the default, right? If you didn't mess with the settings, if you change your location, it'll be different. But these are where your files are being stored. So notice that I named my project Tutorial. And in my NetBeans projects, there is an entire folder of Tutorial. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, inside here there's a lot of things going on in here. Okay, we're not going to mess with it, but we are going to look. Just look. We're not going to mess with anything into the source folder. And of course, I have a default package. Not this one. Called Tutorial, and it kind of corresponds to that. We're not even going to talk about packages in this series at all. We're not ready for that yet. But here is this Java file, this tutorial.java. Okay, and if I go ahead and edit this, it's just a notepad file, right? I just want to show you that this is where actually your code is. I'm sure if I start changing things in here and save it, it may mess it up since it's open, but if I were to open this up if I were to open this up later, it would show up. So, that's all that's really going on, because remember, in the older times, you know, several years ago, you wrote your code in a notepad file, and then you'd compile it through the command prompt. But this is kind of handling that for us, and this is essentially a fancy notepad. But I wanted to let you know what's going on, because we will be coming back to this, maybe in this series, but we'll see how far we get. If it's necessary, but just know that your documents are being stored. So if I go ahead and delete this folder, when I go ahead and open up NetBeans, the tutorial package won't be there anymore if I were to delete it. I just wanted to bring that up. Hopefully you got something out of this video. It may have been common sense to you or not, but there's going to be things that we can do with this folder later on. Thank you for watching, and let's continue back to Java in the next video.